Hello everyone. Now today I would like to discuss here 3D shapes. 3D shapes means the solids which has some length, breadth and height. Means these are some solids there having length, breadth and height. As you can see this ball is a sphere. This ball is a sphere and this ice cream cone, this is in the shape of a cone. This is a container of salt. This is in the shape of a cylinder as you can see here. This Tetley box is in the shape of a cuboid. And again this straw is in the shape of a cylinder. As one more interesting thing is there, object is there. As you can see I have kept here one die here, where you use these dice to play your games here especially in Ludo here. Fine. So these are the few solid shapes which we can see in our daily life, which are you can say around us. Now first of all we have to discuss here about the shape which I am going to discuss about this box. This box is in the shape of a cuboid here. I'm just going to show that. Now first of all I am going to discuss here the shape cuboid here with you. This is the cuboid. Now cuboid has, first of all we have to see its faces. What do you mean by the term faces? Faces means this flat surface. Flat surface. Now this is your cuboid. This is a flat surface. So we have to count the number of faces here. First of all number 1, 2, then 3, then 4, 5 and then 6. So it has how many plane surfaces? It is made up of 6 plane surfaces, plane faces, or in a general way we can call it as 6 faces. So a cuboid has 6 faces there. Next is word is your vertex. Vertex in singular, but when we talk about vertices means plural. So it has 8, you can say, vertices. Let us count this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. It has 8 vertices. Vertices means where the 3 faces meet. Faces 1, 2 and 3. That corner is known as vertex. So a cuboid has 8 vertices. Now we discuss faces and then vertices. Now I am going to discuss here about, you can say, edges. How many edges it has and what do you mean by the term edges here? Now edges means, now this is a plane surface, this is another plane surface here, and here one line segment, a straight path joining these two plane surfaces. This is known as the term edge. So how many edges a cuboid has? It has, you can say, 12 edges. Let us count these. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7 and then 8, 9, 10, 11 and then you can say 12. It has 12 edges. I am repeating, in cuboid, a cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now next is very interesting, we are going to discuss here. This is a cube here. Cube means when the length, breadth and height of this figure, you can say this is known as a cube here. When length, breadth and height of a cuboid becomes equal, that figure is known as the term, you can say, cube here. As for example your die, and you can sugar cubes also. So this is the example of a cube here. Next I would like to discuss here. Now I discussed here, you can say, cube. Earlier I discussed about cuboid. Now I would like to discuss here the word prism. What do you mean by the term prism here? Prism is this shape in which the two edges, two opposite, you can say surfaces, two opposite surfaces may be in triangular shape, may be in rectangular shape. If it is in triangular, means this is known as the prism with triangular base. And interesting one more thing, the plane surfaces जो हम इनको अटैच कर रहे हैं, these are in the shape of a rectangle. These faces are in the shape of a rectangle here. So we discuss about cuboid, cube and prism. Again I told you earlier about the term meaning of edges, faces and vertices. One more is there, that is your cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder, as you can see your tube lights also at your home. So this is the shape of a cylinder, as we can see here. As we can see, it has three faces. One, this is curved surface, and this is your another one. So it has three faces and two edges. This is the shape of a cylinder. Now one more cylinder I have, that is smaller one. This is the another cylinder I have here. Fine. So one more figure is here, that is known as the shape cone, as I have shown you about this cone, ice cream cone. The same shape is of this cone. In mathematics we are discussing here about cone. So this cone is in this shape. It has one vertex only, one vertex. It has one plane surface, one plane face and one curved one, and it has one edge only. So this is your cone here. Now next I would like to discuss here about, you can say, pyramid. Pyramid, as you can see in your movies also, in a number of movies, the word pyramid, you can say the figure of pyramid comes. So here it is pyramid. Now if you discuss the shape of a pyramid, it has a base, you can say, I have the pyramid is whose base is a triangle here. Whose base is a triangle. So this pyramid is nothing but known as a pyramid with triangular base. Pyramid with triangular base. Now triangle as a base, and there are three triangles meeting at this, you can say, one vertex. Top pe jo one vertex hai, this is one, but total how many vertices are there, we can count them. 1, 2, this 2 is second, and this third, and this 4. So total number of vertices are 4 here. This is the shape of a pyramid with triangular base here. Now I would like to show one more, you can say, pyramid, that is, this is also a pyramid. Very interesting. This is a pyramid but with a square base. Base is in the shape, the face is in the shape of a square. So this is a pyramid with, you can say, square base. I would just like to show this so that these figures must be clear to you in your mind. So this is a, you can say, pyramid with square base here. As you can see, these are the triangles. These are the triangles joining here, 4 triangles joining at the top, one vertex at the top and 4 at the bottom. So total number of vertices are 5 here. In case of this, their total number of vertices are 5. Pyramid with square base. Now this is all about, you can say, these shapes here. I would like to discuss one more thing here. I just show you one prism with, you can say, triangular base. Now this is a cuboid, but you can say this is also a prism with rectangular base also. With rectangular base also. This here, because at the base we have 2 triangles opposite to it, and exactly if we just keep it here in this way, this is nothing but your prism with rectangular base here. Now one more thing I want to tell you here from these, that this square pyramid, this is a square pyramid. I just want to repeat, square pyramid, because its base is, you can say, square. This is a pyramid with a triangular base. This is a cube having 6 faces, 8 vertices and, you can say, 12 edges. This is a cylinder having one curved surface and two plane faces here. Now next is your cone. Cone has one plane surface, another one is, you can say, curve. One vertex is there and one edge is there. Now next is your prism here. Prism with triangular base. I hope now these 3D shapes must be clear to you. Thank you.